You've said in the past that you need to be liked and loved, and yet you're quite contrarian at times in your approach to things. How do you reconcile these two things?
I think you have to be contrarian. I think if you want to make a lot of money in business, you can't just be a conformist to do what is in fashion and what everybody else thinks. If you're going to do what everyone else thinks, you're going to get returns that everyone else gets, which is by definition average. So my companies have not made average returns. My companies have outperformed their indexes, not by 1 or 200 basis points, but sometimes by 5 or 6 times what the index was. So you have to think differently and take things that are from a different point of view. So one of my favorite investors in my companies has been Orbis, out in California and in Bermuda. And they're contrarians. They're willing to make a bet, and a significant bet, if they have a high conviction about a trend or a company that the market's not seeing. Something's out of favor, but the market doesn't understand something about it. Maybe a company's not studied enough. It's not covered enough. Maybe management's not good at communicating their story, and it's dislocated. The price is dislocated, and you can get a real good value by buying those shares and then being patient, playing it out the cycle and make real good returns. And I've seen them do that with my companies when something happened in the marketplace that made us a cheap stock for a short period of time. Boom, they came in and they bought a lot of shares and wrote them up and then sold them there really, really high. I think that contrarian value approach to investing, to business, is profound.